If you have a hard time getting lower abs to kick in without middle and upper abs taking over, I have 2 tricks to try out using a little bit of skin pulling to either help facilitate and encourage you to feel more engagement, or to tell you when you need to stop the amount that you're engaging and back off a little bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay down. You can use this in any position that you're trying to find those lower abs and you have hands free. But what we're going to do is first, to help you feel a little bit more lower abs, you're going to grab the skin at your lower abs. And you're thinking about giving a little bit of pull. You can kind of pull up or pull down or pull away up towards the ceiling with it. What you're going to think about is you're going to inhale and you're going to exhale and feel that brace and think about feeling that tension increase at where you're pulling. That can help you connect a little bit more, bring a little bit of more awareness to those lower abs and tap into engaging just that area a little bit more. So I'm going to do it a couple times here, thinking about inhaling, exhale, feeling it pull down and back away from my hands, maybe in towards or away with it, all that air out, keeping that little bit of tension, maybe inhale again, exhale, trying to see if I can increase the amount that I feel the tug at where my skin, I'm grabbing at my skin here. If you're finding that those middle and upper abs just want to take over, you might have to rewire the intensity of your exhale or where your exhale is coming from. So here you can grab at your upper or middle abs. And what you're monitoring for is when you go to exhale, you don't want to feel an increased engagement there. So that means that you're going to stop the intensity of your exhale or maybe change how you're exhaling and try to think a little bit more of a scooping and hauling of those lower abs and keeping that upper area a little bit more relaxed with it. So this is going to look like this, right? Inhale and then exhale and only engage those lower abs as much as I can before, if I go to engage my upper abs, or my middle abs, I would feel that tension increase where my skin is here. So it might not be very much at first. Then you can keep pulling here as you go to inhale again, getting those middle and upper to let go a little bit more, keeping that little bit of lower ab tension on that inhale. So the next one you can maybe sneak into it a little bit more. Keep that lower ab tension, inhale here into your back, exhale. Can you go a little bit more? It might not feel too much at first. When you let go, it'll be more obvious of like, oh, I have built up a little bit of tension. But knowing that we're just trying to rewire, reconnect, so any percentage more, even if it's just 1%, of being able to connect to those lower abs without those middle or those upper helps bring that neuromuscular connection to those areas and kind of primes the system a little bit so that when you go into other ab exercises, you've already kind of given those lower abs a little bit of a boost, gotten those upper and middle abs to let go a little bit so that you can have a better balanced engagement in your abs to make a happier diastasis and a happier pelvic floor.